Good morning, good morning, good morning. Big H Transportation coming to you from a detour off I-65 South in Indianapolis. There's a humongous wreck after exit 230. I'm heading to Kentucky. I'm filming a dark side road that's going to put me out on State Highway 14 and back onto 65, I-65 South. I just wanted to say hello to everybody. Please like and subscribe. I am behind a massive line of trucks that's about 9 miles long, and cars. But I'm getting close to making my left-hand turn on 14. There's obviously a traffic light up there. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's safe and sound. Yeah, the roads in Indiana on 65, portions of it were really bad. And then like 500 feet later, they were phenomenal. So either the plow truck must have missed a couple of spots, because I have no idea why there was a foot of snow in the middle of the highway and then nothing. As you can see there, somebody got stuck. And this has been going on for the last 9 miles. I think trucks are going too far out and getting caught in that rut between the road and the dirt. There was 2 trucks back a ways. I couldn't get to my phone quick enough to record it, but they were getting pulled out by tow trucks. So, no, I'm not going to the edge. But, yeah, this winter can't come to an end soon enough. I honestly am convinced, after driving so many years, that people forget how to drive or lose all common sense in snow, rain, etc. I don't know why. It's really not that difficult. I get it, your nerves get the best of you. But if you just stay calm, take a breath, leave enough following distance between you and the next vehicle in front of you, and obviously have the right kind of tires. Like, you can't use summer tires in the winter. It's not good. You know, they make winter tires for specific reason, because it's winter. Different compound of rubber. And then there are those who don't change their tires soon enough and ride what we call up north baloney skins. Basically tires that have no more thread on them. So you want to make sure that your vehicle's up to snuff in the snow. But more importantly than that, drive with common sense. It's really not that difficult. Anyway, I'm working. I got some serious storage issues, and no matter what I delete, it seems to come back and just cram my storage. So again, when I get home, when I go on home time in the next 2 weeks or so, I'm going to upgrade my phone to a 254 gigabyte phone. My iPad has a 128 gigabytes, and that for some reason is all jammed up. So I don't know. I'm confused. So I'm going off YouTube I'm going off YouTube directly instead of going through my camera and photos, and hopefully that will work. But I can't fly my drone. I can fly my drone, but I can't film anything because no more storage. So that's my dilemma. I mean, that's just a small part of living in a world of luxury, right?
600 feet, turn left onto Indiana 14 East.
But at the end of the day, I love what I do, but I can't wait for winter to end. I'm seeing a lot of YouTubers, or a couple of YouTubers, complaining about the snow and not wanting to go out, and that they're going to have to pull over in 100 miles. And, well, the roads are pretty much kept up. I know, it's just frustration, and I mean, people have had it.
Turn
with the
left
snow.
onto Indiana 14 East, then turn right onto the ramp to Indianapolis.
I get it. But you know what? And I try not to bring my emotions into it. I just deal with it. It is what it is. There's nothing I can do to change the weather. There's nothing Henry can do to change the weather. Now, after 9 miles, I finally got some solitude here, getting back on the interstates, which is always a good thing. And I notified my fleet manager. I let him know.
Traffic is getting worse. You will now arrive at 11:52 a.m.
I let him know that. I let him know that I'm not going to, that I-65 is closed between 2:30
Turn
and
right onto the ramp to Indianapolis.
between exit 2:30 and whatever. I don't even have a time yet. So the load's due today on the 18th, but they never set an appointment time for me. So
Continue for half a mile.
I'm going to go as far as I can, hit a truck stop, and just hang out and wait. But my only problem is my 70-hour clock is running really low. I mean, I still got 10 hours, but I still got another 350 miles to drive. So we're going to get as far as we can. I don't want to burn up my 14-hour clock. In that case, my 70-hour clock gets burned up too. Yeah, we're all sick of the snow.
In a quarter mile, merge onto I-65 South.
Gee, thanks for letting me know that. Yeah, we're done. Spring is around the corner. That's the good news. The sun goes down later and later each day. That's the better news. And there's no next.
Continue on I-65 South for 91 miles.
There's no next storm that I can see in the next 3 to 5 days, which is a good reprieve. But then again, you never know. It is weather. But, I mean, one storm after another, has been ridiculous. Ridiculous. My lock was frozen solid. I tried rubbing alcohol, I tried WD-4, nothing. Tried banging it, nothing. And finally I used my big lighter to thaw it out, and it opened. It took me 45 minutes to do it, but I finally got it done. So these are, it was minus 18. Negative 18 degrees Fahrenheit. So this weather has been unbelievable, to say the least. But again, folks, the good news is it's almost spring. Hope everyone's safe. Filming a dark road. I appreciate if you guys would like and subscribe. Use common sense, stay warm, make sure your tanks are filled, or at least more than a half a tank of fuel. Same with DEF. I've been running into DEF issues with it being frozen. I finally found a place in Minnesota that actually had really good insulation on their pumps and was able to fill it up. I was getting nervous. I was getting down low. And they had run out of the containers of DEF. As fast as it was coming in, it was going out. Which I can't believe in this day and age, that especially living in the northern hemisphere, that you can't figure out how to keep DEF from freezing over. But again, it doesn't shock me. Anyway, folks, I'm out. Stay safe.